Number 4 said a village on a Caribbean island was devastated by a hurricane. The supply of fresh water was contaminated when the storm surge washed over the island. Several tanks of fresh water delivered to the village. Each tank contained 10.5 hectoliters of water. All right. So start out with making sure that I've labeled this correctly. We're working on step A. And so it said I started out with 10.5 hectoliters of water, and I need to convert that to liters. So the first thing I need for that is the conversion factor for hectoliters to liters. They may know what the conversion factor for that would be. Okay. So I'll look for the formula sheet, W. I'll pull that up here. Scroll down. Scroll down until I find hecto, which was here. And so that says it is 100. So that means there are 100 liters in 1 hectoliter. Or 10 to the second. Either way is fine. I'm just going to use 100 because it's not really that big. So 1 hectoliter is 100 liters. Cross out hectoliters, and then I just need to multiply that. Can I get a volunteer or get somebody to just multiply for me 10.5 times 100? Anybody with a calculator? Times 100, yes. 1,050. All right. 1,050 was my answer for A. I'm going to need to use that answer as I work on B. All right, let's see, what was B? On a given day, one person needs an average of 2.5 liters of water to survive. How many people will a tank supply for a day? So how many liters of water do I have in a tank? Based on A? 1050. So that's where my starting point is how many liters of water I have in that tank. So I start out with 1050 liters. And then it asks me, so I need to convert from liters to people. And to do that, I'm going to use a given conversion here. So how many liters does each person need? 2.5 liters per person. All right, so should I put liters or people on the top here? People on the top, liters on the bottom. Why do I need liters on the bottom? Yes, exactly. I need to be able to cancel out. All right, so it's 2.5 liters per one person. Crossed out liters. And then, so should, because this is on the bottom, should I multiply or divide by 2.5? Divide, excellent. So it's going to be 1050 divided by 2.5. 420. All right, so 420. And what are the units for this answer? People, thank you. $420 people. All right, not too terrible. C, if the village, which includes people and livestock, need 430 liters of water each day, how long in days will one tank last? All right, give answer the nearest tenth of a day. So I need to create a conversion factor from liters to days. All right, so I'm going to start out again with my one tank, which contains how many liters? One tank does not contain 430 liters. One tank does not contain 420 liters. We found this in number A. Yes. One tank contains 1,050 liters. All right. And then it says that each person needs 430 liters per day. So what should be my conversion from liters to day? Exactly. 430 on the bottom, liters, and 1 day on the top. Crossing out liters, then I just say 1050 divided by 430. So how many days? 2.4. Can I get a confirmation? Okay, thank you. 2.4 days, and thank you for rounding it to the nearest tenth of a day like it asked. And then I'm going to do the challenge as well. So converting days into hours. So how many minutes are there? I'm sorry, how many hours are there in a day? 24. So go ahead and let's see here. 2.4 days. 1 day is 24 hours. So I multiply by days. I'm sorry, I multiply 2.4 by 24 to convert days to hours. And what did I get? All right, and it asked me to go to the nearest hour. So what's my answer to the nearest hour? Nearest whole hour. Caleb, what number did you get? All right, so can you round that to the nearest whole number? I don't think I agree with you. So it was 58.56, you said? All right, so then we got to round up because that 5, anything 5 and up, we round up. So what it would be? 59 hours. Thank you. All right, so 1 tank of water would last us 59 hours. All right, that's number 4. I'll let you guys keep working.